this is the latest storm that's coming through. I thought it was like sort of heading off that way, so I wasn't really worrying. But actually, yeah, I'm not going out into the yard. There's lightning. But from what it looks like, we have a super severe thunderstorm with a tornado watch. But it should be be over by like 10 or 11, hopefully. And it sounds like it's starting to sprinkle a bit. But yeah, it's gonna be one doozy of a thunderstorm. I mean, that lightning is just flashing like crazy. Bye, bird. You can hear it too. It's almost like if you were in like California and you were stuck in your house during an earthquake or something. It's ridiculous. Wow. Yeah, so it's heading in now. Actually, if you look right about there, hold on, let's see if I can. Yeah, you can kind of see the head of this thunderstorm, like right about there. Yeah, kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's there. But there's my dog Freckles. He's still deaf as hell. But yeah, ooh, I'm moving back. But we're also supposed to get hail. I think the size of golf balls, I believe. I should see if I'm able to, if I would be allowed to move my truck. Oh well. But yeah, this is going to be one hell of a storm we're getting. So glad that I'm not going to be out in this for a while. Damn. That shit right there. Yeah, that's gonna be the shit to watch. Yeah, it's starting to come down pretty good out here. Actually, that kind of looks like it has a circular rotation to it. I'm surprised the tornado sirens aren't going off. I haven't been in a storm this bad in a long time. They were saying wind gusts up to 50 to 60 miles an hour. Yeah, see now that shit. Get away, stupid mosquito. Yeah, now you see that shit right there. It's gotten way closer. So this is going to be one fast-moving storm, but I'm going to go in. That stupid... Look at this. He's out there. Oh, he's got to poop. That's why. But I got to go look at the weather map. Hopefully nothing big. Oh, I hope nothing big.